So guys, we're back. It's late in the evening, but I realized I have one more field to harvest in August. If not, it will wither for me. So let's hook up the honeybee and go to that field. I think it's not such a it's not such a big field, so I think we can manage it quite quickly. We will just harvest it, and then it's time for some sleep and come into September. I'm still on 1 day per month. This is a long beast. Yeah, oh, now the neighbor's dog is making noise. Let me see if we can come around here. I think we can. And here is the combine. No, cannot. Okay, so let's move the combine first to the field. Yeah, the X9 is a beast. I have a special Flegel transporter to take it, because it's too wide it's too wide and too slow to drive by itself on the road. But with a Flegel machine transporter, it's okay. But this trailer follows quite nicely, actually. Let's see if I can take this turn without taking anything down. Yeah, we will take a shortcut to this field, and that means going this way and then making a sharp lefty here onto this gravel road. Okay guys, let's go. Let's push the pedal to the metal. Floor it, as we say. Let's see if we can cross this bridge with this load. I'm not sure, I never tried it. Yeah, we can. And now we have a sharp right turn here. But yeah, we made that one too. And some more branches. Okay, let's see. Yeah, oh yeah. And here is the... So where should we unload, huh? I think I take it up here, because okay. Yeah, this is great. Let's unfold this trailer. Okay. Yeah, as I said, this is a beast. Not bad. Not bad for being me, clumsy me. You will come to realize my driving is super sketchy sometimes. Okay, I think I will take this one like up here. I want to be as straight as possible, at least when I connect. You see. Then we have to drop the wheels. These wheels here, yeah, pop like that. Okay. You see. This one, he needs some space when you turn him around, but okay, unfold the header. Unfold the combine and disable straw swap. Turn on. Let's see. Let's harvest. Yeah, not bad. It's okay. Okay, let's go. I have the biggest extension on this X9 because when you harvest, it's nice to not have to empty as often as before with the smaller harvesters. Someone told me in the Facebook group, a Swedish Facebook group for this game, that oh, it's not realistic. Well, actually I've seen this kind of extension on harvesters in the US and in Australia, so I think it's quite realistic actually. There is our cow pasture. Let's see if we can take this field without emptying the bin one time. Just take it in one go. I don't think so. No. So this this bin on this harvester, this combine, is 27.4 cubic meters, so it's quite big. Oh, yeah, well, cannot get it all, and you can see on the map down left that we have a very good harvest from this field. It's like maximized 125% something, huh? I love this map, like Coronella. It's a lot of details, and I like these curvy fields. Some people like the square fields, but I like it natural. Like where I come from in Sweden, there is no square fields. Well, there is, but most of the fields are like this. They try to maximize the land usage by following tree lines. Yeah. Let's see, we have about 10 cubic meters now. Guys playing on PC says, oh, console is not so convenient when playing and so on and so on, but for me console has been the best choice. I started playing Farming Simulator 19 on my PS4, and then I converted to Farming Simulator 22, still on the PS4. Okay guys, it's time to empty this, and now I have upgraded to PS5 actually. Okay. Well. The only thing I miss with this machine is like the straight pipes. But look at this interior, it's like super realistic. Let's see if we can drive like this a little bit. You see the gear lever. The 2654, they had a same gear lever as the Volvo trucks actually. And I think, if I'm not wrong, they had like high and low gear. Okay. Maybe we got a little bit stuck. It's quite a tight turn from inside the farmhouse. Yeah, you see, even I think it even has the split actually. Bye bye La Coronella. Okay. Bump, bump. Okay, let's push it. Pedal to the metal. Over the bridge. This trailer is a little bit too big for this tractor actually, but yeah. Empty at least, it manages very well. Okay guys, let's jump out and start this beast again. Let's get the outside view and come off a little bit so we can. Okay. Pipe in, harvester on, and then we take the last pieces of this field. So maybe some of you wonder how I do this. Well, there's a good function in the PlayStation 5 at least. I don't know about the PS4. But there is a capture function, so I can use my gaming headset as a microphone and record directly, actually with a push of a button. And then I will move my videos from the PlayStation to my laptop with an external hard drive. I have a 500 gigabyte SSD I will use for this, and then I will edit in my computer. So let's try at least. So right now I'm playing on a 65-inch TV, 4K, and it's super nice. But my plan actually, this is in our living room, so my plan is to buy some kind of either a screen, computer screen that I can use for both playing PlayStation and my work, or I will buy a separate TV to put in my man cave, office / man cave, so my wife, she can watch her Thai drama TV series. Okay, harvester off, and we empty the last pieces. Let's wait until we are in position, okay, because I don't want to. Yay, and this harvester also can oh, it's empty now, okay. So let's go unhook. Let's fold the header. Let's fold the harvester. Then we have to find the wheels, the back wheels for the Honeybee, let's just see if we can... No, we cannot because it's folded. Okay. Yeah. It's a little bit of a special hassle. Okay, good thing actually is you can change the cruise control reversing and set the speed limiter. Let's see, how are we here? Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's put it down there. Then we change to the pickup truck. Let me see how well I did. Oh boy. Yeah. Some control. Then we have to pull forward a little bit. And it releases from the harvester. I mean, of course, in real life you have to do this manually, but... Okay. And then let's load the harvester for on the machine trailer again. Let's see if we can make it as nice as last time. With a header fixture, the header connector on top of this small. Oh, we cannot, okay. Jump into the truck, start it. Tension belts on. Lift the rear end. Okay, this Brandner is quite big and this tractor is not so big, but... Okay. Okay guys, 30.398 cubic meters. Let's see how the Volvo copes with the hills. Let's see how it goes after this turn, because now we will start climb a little bit. 30? Okay. Yeah, oh, don't switch gear. Whatever you do, don't switch gear. I'm not oh, yeah. Well, there you have it. One of my exceptional driving skills. Hitting light poles. That's part of my resume. I hope you love seeing someone making a fool of himself. Thankfully I'm not this... Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, we lost a lot of speed here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, this old Volvo, I think. I guess we're weighing... The trailer is weighing around 40 tons. So, I understand why it has to struggle in these hills. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh well. Cannot help myself, but I love the looks of this machine. Sorry, Actros 861, my dear friend. But this is the truth. Okay, guys. So, see you in the next episode, okay?